Hi all of you, back with another video, and in this video I will be showing you what is difference between git add dot and git add your file name. So let me show you what I want to do right now. I want to be a root user first. Okay, now it's time to clear screen. So let me do ls. There is a Singapore git. Let me go into this repo. This is my local repo, as you all know. So now as you can see that I am in my Singapore git. Okay, now let me do ls. There is nothing because I have removed all my files which who folks haven't watched my last video, so just watch that video, because in that video I showed what is git clean and how it is helpful for you. Okay, it is not a major command, but it is really useful for you. Okay, so now let me create some files. Okay, let me create some empty files. Let me create a b c d e. Okay, I have created 5 files, as you all can see here. Okay, so there are 5 files. Now if I want to add, if I want to add all my 5 files, how I can do that? Git add a, git add b, okay, git add c. Okay, but it will take a lot of time. Okay, so let me run git status. So as you all can see here, okay, so these are my new files abc, because these are now added. But if you want to add all files by one command, how can you do that? Okay, so let me just do one thing. Let me run reset command. Okay, let me run reset, git reset. So if I run git status, so now you can see I have reset all my files. So now I have 5 files. Okay, if you want to add to staging area by one command, how you can do that? Git add dot for all. Okay, if I run that command again, now you can see that some of my files are deleted, but ignore them for now. Okay, because I removed from git clean command. As you all know, who folks watched my last video, so they know very well what I showed in that video. So these are my new file. Okay, but before it was showing red, but now it is showing green. So by doing this, you can add multiple files in your staging area. Staging area is your this one. Okay, this one is your staging area. So you can add multiple file with git add dot. But if you want to add only one file, okay, so you can specify the name like I did here. Where is my, let me run my command git history. So this is also a good command, not git history, only history. Okay, so now as you can see, so you can specify name by using this git add and the name of the file, git add name of the file. But if you want to add all the files which are in your working directory, working space, okay, so you can run this git add dot. It will add all the files which are present in your working space. I hope this video finds you really beneficial. So hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel, also check the document which is in the description. Don't miss that out, and I will be meet you in my next video.